Today we will have a look at the second part of the tab terms in our reservation form. With the button Table, we can switch to the datasheet of all dates. Here we can find all dates in chronological order in one datasheet. As additional fields, we find the indicator Closed and Auto. Auto stands for Automatic Control. If the corresponding checkbox was activated, the appointment will be displayed in the control fixed dates when it appears in the ASSD during our logon. If we remove the checkmark from Auto, this appointment will not be shown to us when we log into the ASSD and we get automatically shown the control fixed dates at the beginning. However, if we call the control fixed dates via the menu, all appointments are displayed always. The closed field is used only for our own appointments. Those are appointments we create by ourselves or departmental appointments, such as reservation, housekeeping, front office, or accounting, that the booking process hasn't created automatically, such as return of contract, prepayment, due date, or expiration date. We create these by clicking on the button Add Row. These individual dates, only these, can be removed from the overview again. For this, we click on the row we want to delete and click on the button Delete. The system's default dates, which have been automatically created by the booking process, only take care of themselves through the linked events. So if there is a date for a due date, it will not show up in our control fixed dates if we have booked in an incoming payment. Furthermore, we can see whether a date has already been reminded of, and if so, how often. Additionally, there is a further memo field at our free disposal, for example for internal messages. We can get back to our general overview of terms by clicking on this button General View.